Today we have a 2013 BRZ, has about 130,000 miles on it. Now, this is a manual transmission with a push start, and the customer's concern is that the vehicle will not start. So a lot of these push start key fobs, people don't know that these batteries, they go out a little bit faster than traditional key fob batteries. I've seen them go out as fast as 5 years. When the battery is low, you're going to want to press and hold it right up here to the push start button and try and start the vehicle. In this situation, it wasn't working. We went ahead and just stabbed a new coin cell in there because they're like $1 a piece. We buy them in reels of 100. That's why we get them so cheap. Same thing, vehicle will not start. It's just cycling through accessory power. So we're going to be diagnosing this with my Launch X431 Pro Series here. And I really do enjoy using this tool for diagnosing because I get a topology scan. My dealer tool doesn't give that ability to me. And I really love these topology scans because it labels all the modules on the different branches of the network, which is very important for me to distinguish what I'm going to be diagnosing. Let's start a smart detection here, see what's going on in the vehicle. All right, so here's everything that it scanned. We have something going on with the immobilizer system. And notice how much better it looks on a topology versus a list. Okay, with the list, it does put all your codes here up at the top that are pertaining to the problem, but it doesn't tell you what part of the topology it's on. So that's why I like this better. Let's jump on in. We have a U0401, invalid data received from ECM PCM. Okay, so something's going on with our keyless access module. Let's go to my data stream. I've already selected a few PIDs here that I want to pay attention to. Some of them I was just curious, but mainly everything that says switch. I want everything that says switch, and most importantly, the neutral switch, clutch switch. Let's jump on in. Now we got a big list here. We can't see everything. So we're going to click on graph, and now we can see everything. Let's try and start the car now. I'm pressing in my clutch. Notice my clutch. Oh, now it says on. Of course it says on. All right, says off. Look at that. Says off. My foot's on the clutch. Try and start this car. Nothing. Okay, we're just cycling power. Now, hopefully, can you see my leg moving? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna watch this PID right here. Nothing. There we go. Finally, it says on. We can start the car. Okay, we got a bad. So we just have a bad neutral clutch switch. That's all it is. Knowing your systems, knowing what needs to talk to each other. I didn't have to look at any wiring diagrams. This is a quick in and out. I spent more time actually trying to record this video than I did actually diagnosing the car, to be honest. But yeah, I'm going to get the customer on their way with the new, so we're going to get a new neutral switch installed on here, get this customer back on the road.